Okay, dear students, today I want to give you some more important, very short answer questions from chemistry first year. In that, the first question was, what is isoelectronic series? And give examples. I repeat the question once. What is isoelectronic series? And give examples. Here you learned that iso means same only. So electronic means electrons. So from that we can define the term isoelectronic series as a group of atoms or ions having the same number of electrons. The group of atoms or ions having same number of electrons. So they may be either atoms or ions, whatever they may be, but they have the same number of electrons. For example, if you take nitrogen, its atomic number is 7. When it gains 3 electrons, it gains the negative charge and n minus 3. For example, if you take n minus 3, it has 10 electrons. Oxygen atom has 8 atomic number, but when it gains 2 electrons, its oxide will be O minus 2. And F has fluorine, atomic number is 9, and if it gains 1 electron, it gains the negative charge. So all these three, N minus 3, O minus 2, F minus, have 10 electrons each. So which is the electronic configuration similar to that of neon, which is the so N minus 3, oxygen minus 2, and F minus, all these three have 10 electrons each in their electrons each, which is equal to the configuration that of neon only. So neon atomic number is 10, which consists of 10 electrons. And if you take sodium, so sodium neutral atom has atomic number 11, has 11 electrons, but Na plus, when it loses 1 electron, it gains positive charge. So that is electronic configuration of Na plus is similar to that of neon again. And magnesium, if you take, magnesium is neutral atom, if you are consider, it has 12 electrons, its atomic number is 12 only, but when it loses 2 electrons, it gains the charge Mg plus 2. So Mg plus 2 is also had configuration similar to that of neon. So isoelectronic series. Here iso means similar and electronic means have the same number of electrons or electronic configuration. So group of atoms or ions having the same number of electrons are called as isoelectronic series. So they may be ions or atoms which consisting of same number of electrons in that, and for writing the electronic configuration. So they are called isoelectronic series. So N minus 3, O minus 2, F minus, Na plus and Mg plus 2, all the mentioned or given ions have the same number of electrons which are similar to that of neon. So they are all similar electronic configuration or same number of electrons. They are isoelectronic in series. And the second question, what is Boltzmann's constant? Give its value. Boltzmann's constant. Here Boltzmann's constant K, it represents by letter K, it is defined as gas constant. This is R stands for universal gas constant. Universal gas constant per molecule. So N is nothing but Avogadro number. So the gas constant per molecule of the gas is defined as Boltzmann's constant. Boltzmann's constant is gas constant per molecule. So R by N. R is nothing but universal gas constant, and it has some significance about its values. In late atmospheres we have taken R value as 0.0821, and in joules it is 8.314 like that. And Avogadro number, it is a familiar number, very well known number, and it is 6.023 10 power 23 its value. So by dividing these two, you will get the K value as 1.38 into 10 power minus 16 erg Kelvin inverse and molecule inverse, or 1.38 into 10 power minus 23 joule per Kelvin per molecule. So this is Boltzmann's constant value. Boltzmann's constant is defined as the gas constant per molecule. So according to the definition, the value, the Boltzmann constant K is equal to gas constant per molecule, means R by N only. N is nothing but Avogadro number. So its value is equal to 1.38 into 10 power minus 16 or 1.38 into 10 power minus 23 in CGS and MK system respectively. And the third question, what is meant by ionic product of water? Here if you observe water has two ions. One is H plus ion and second one is nothing but OH minus ion. But the existence of H plus ion is not H plus ion is not existing, so that you are taken instead of H plus ion, it will be taken as hydronium ion only. We are considering hydronium ion. So in water, the two ions, either H plus or H3O plus and OH minus ions are there. So the product of these two ions that are existing in water is called ionic product of water. So ionic product of water, the ions that are present in water is nothing but either H plus and OH minus or H3O plus or OH minus ions. So their product, the concentration of their products is equal to ionic product of water. So the definition, at a given solution, in a given solution, the product of concentration of H3O plus and OH minus ions. I repeat the answer. In a given solution, the product of concentrations of either H plus or H3O plus and OH minus ions is called ionic product of water. So its value at 25 degrees centigrade is 1.0 into 10 power minus 14 mole square per liter square. Its value, I repeat, at 25 degrees is 1.0 into 10 power minus 14 mole square per liter square. So this is about ionic product of water. Next one, write the structure of AlCl3. AlCl3 is nothing but aluminum chloride. In gaseous, in vapor state or gaseous state, aluminum chloride exists as a dimer. Dimer means, di means two, men means single unit. So it will be exist as dimer, means Al3Cl6 like that. That is a dimer of AlCl3. So AlCl3 exists as a dimer in vapor state through day 2 bonds. The structure will be like that. And here the bond length between Al and Cl in the first aluminum is nothing but 206 pm. Pm stands for picometer. 1 picometer is equal to 10 power minus 12 meters. 1 picometer is equal to 10 power minus 12 meters. And the bond angle here is nothing but 101 degrees, and here is 99 degrees. And here in between this is nothing but 118 degrees. So this is the structure of AlCl3 as a dimer. So in the dimer, the formula should be Al3Cl6 only. So this is the structure of AlCl3. So these are the important questions. So please subscribe and share and like my videos, and there is a giveaway those who subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you very much.